expected to have. But you need to have that data audits, you need to have it annually, you need to ensure all of this is in place for you to. And obviously one of the most important things is data mapping. I would say the first point of compliance for you is going to be data mapping, because today Indian organizations don't know what data they have collected, which data they have collected, where is it even residing. We have never really had this kind of compliance before. So before you even start building a framework, which honestly I'm hearing a lot of people come up, can you build the data privacy framework for us? The question is, do you even know what is your data and where is your data? So the first step is obviously data mapping, and privacy frameworks, consent management, auditing. A lot of these things are going to happen thereafter.
Principle. Here, we don't have a concept of something like a third party person who is doing something. Now, suppose if you have to guard yourself from data fiduciary, to guard yourself from such kind of lapse from the third party, you need to have contract with him, and in the contract you need to have indemnification clauses as to if I get fined because of your issues, your problems, you will indemnify against the whatever the loss I incur or whatever penalty or fine I incur. So this having a contract with indemnification clause with regard to their data protection board now becomes important. So every organization needs to go back to their contracts and revise the contracts when it comes to handling of data in a cascading pattern, and when you're giving data to further for third party or further from third party to
So Puneet, I think we are not able to hear you, but there's a great point that you made, that mapping the data is super critical. So we'll move to Pavan. Any closing remark? And by the way, we should have a session just on this. Puneet made a very vital point in terms of how do we get ready. So we should just have a session only on that, like how do we have the readiness for the new act. Pavan, any closing remark? And then we'll go to Prashant, maybe quick one to 2 minute closing remark.
My closing remarks are only this much. Let's get out into the field. Let's get our hands dirty. Let's start working on things. Let's not be in a complacent